Hi guys, today we're gonna make a car wash video and here it is. We're going through the car wash. Woo! Just keep going. Alright, keep going, going. Woo! Who's ready for a car wash video? Going, going. Going. Oh my God! Oh, can we see the roof? Can you open the roof, please? Thank you. Woo! Look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa! What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? Whoa! Look at those bubble strings. Oh, there's something passing on the side. Look at that. Something passing on the side. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this, Mommy? Is this a tornado? Is this a tornado? Oh, yeah, but how do you call these? The tornadoes? I think so. You call them the tornadoes, right? And how do you call this?
The rain.
Hard rain. I think you call it the hard rain. What kind of machine is this? It's the, I don't know what I call it, but look at that. And then we got the waterfall here. Got the waterfall here. Oh, then what is this? Oh, here we go. The thunderstorm. No, that's how they call it, the thunderstorm. Cause it's like a thunderstorm. See? And here we are at the park section, the thunderstorm. Oh, look at that red! Look at that red! Oh my God! Whoa! Look at the thunderstorm. It's drying our car. Just all right. Now we're outside. Drive, shine off. All right, let's see. Let's step out of the car and let's see it. We're done, and that's how we had to do. All right. See you later, guys.